Hello YouTube, welcome to Zippo Collection Part 3. I think I finished off last time with these two. I'll go ahead and show them again, even though I might have already finished off with them. 2004, it's a pipe lighter, brush chrome. I think I already showed these two. And then 2005, satin chrome. And got my Zippo card still here out. 2003, with a floral type design on it, that's what I call it. 1935 replica to 2010. I'll open it up. Brush chrome. Next is an older one. I did send this one into Zippo, and they gave me new insert, but I like to keep the old inserts in them. It says 2032695, and the stamp on this one's upside down. Check it out. I got a glare there. Let's see if I can turn off my background light. And here, much better. 2032695. And it says 1937 and 1950. Next one, I think I had another one like this. This one is not brand new. It's 2006. Got vertical lines, not vertical, horizontal lines. It's a slim. Show you the stamp on that. 4 on the left, 3 on the right. Right. 4 on the left, 3 on the right. That's a 1975. It's got like a old laminate, not laminate, but wooden type covering on that slim there. Got a Sailor Jerry Zippo. It is a 2004. Got a Jack Daniels whiskey Zippo. It's a 2006. Got this Zippo here. It's 1 forward slash on the left, 1 forward slash on the right, which is a 1980. I should know that because this is my 3rd video. I carried this Zippo for a couple of days just to do some Zippo tricks. So far I can do up to I think it's like 20 or something through a Cutler Lever. I watch Cutler Lever's YouTube channel. I get all his the only one he didn't do is I think it's number 6. I think it's number 6. I can't find it, so I'm gonna have to message him. 2517191. Brand new. Needs a little TLC, but in immaculate shape for how old it is. It is 1950 to 1957. Next, oh, by the way, it's brush chrome. 1 dot on the left, 2 dots on the left, 1 dot on the right, and that is a scratch on the bottom with a 2517191. Interesting. Now 2 dots on the left, 1 on the right, so 1963, and then it has 2517191 on it, which is 1950 to 57. I wonder if this is a counterfeit Zippo. I think it is, because it's got the hole in the center. I think I have myself a counterfeit Zippo. Oh my goodness. No, that's the old way they made them styles. It's brass case. I don't know. You tell me, YouTube. Brush chrome. I'm trying to fly through these really quickly. It's by the way, it's brush chrome little wire. It says 2517191 also, which is, I should know this by now, 50 to 57. So I'm just put my right here like this. Next is a VH Flannery building materials, 2517191 with 4 dots on each side, which I think is a 1958 according to my Zippo chart. By the way, that was polished chrome. This is brushed chrome, patent pen 2517191 with patent. It says 2517191 with patent pending 1950-1957. Let's put all these back. Next one, brush chrome. 3 lines straight up and down on the left, 2 on the right. It is a 1969. Why am I not putting these back in the holder? This one's got a little rust on it. Needs a little help. 4 forward slashes on the right or the left, and 3 on the right. I think I'm gonna put this by my camera here somewhere. I think it can work. Shoot. Mine's going blank here. Not good, not good. 1975. Brush chrome. 3 on the left, 2 on the left, 3 on the right. I think they actually got that mixed up one year. Nope, it's 1985. I'll show you this before it falls. It's a Collins knife in the box. Next is a brushed chrome. It says IV, which is 1988. Next one, brushed chrome. Yeah, I don't think it has a Zippo insert, original Zippo insert. No, it doesn't. Zippo wouldn't put their inserts like this. They wouldn't leave their wick hanging down like so. I know that. I think I sent it in. They gave me a new wick or a new insert, and I just put the old one back in it, just because that's what I had. I like to keep my inserts that I get my Zippos with them. I like to know how they came when I got them. VIII, at least the case is from 1992. Next, it's got like a horse type. It's got a horse, a man on a horse. Looks like. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus here, so you guys can pause that and see it. It's kind of out in the desert type setting. Polished chrome. X. I believe it's 89, 88. Nope, 94. 1994. Next is a brush chrome. 2005. Oh, I didn't open that one for you. There you go. Another brush chrome. 2005 as well. I might have just opened the same one. Nope, different. Next one, 2001. Brush chrome as well. XIII, I think it's a 96 or a 95. 97, went the wrong way. Next is a old Anheuser-Busch Zippo. It used to be polished chrome. XI is I'm gonna guess at this 94. No, XI 95. So close. As you see in the next one, Beatles. XII. XII is 96. Before this falls over, I got this Intherm tape measure. And these do not have codes on the bottom. If I can get a good... Maybe if my camera focus here. Yeah, they don't have codes on the bottoms. It's Intherm. I had a whole bunch of them. I only bought one. Just to say I had one. Next is the polished chrome. I think I already showed you. XIII. There's 93. 97. That's Miller Lite. That one was polished chrome. Miller Lite Zippo. By the way, all these type on like this is screen printed on here. Over brushed chrome, not brass chrome. 2000 XVI. I have two of these. Budweiser. This is like engraved in there. Let's see if I can get that amazing detail. There we go. Polished chrome, 2003. The next one's, you're going to have to believe, shoot, I'll just show you. 2003 as well. Next one, polished with Budweiser, 2003. You got your deck of cards, Zippo. Got your club, your spade, your heart, and your diamond. It's a 2005. I don't root for this team. You might. But the Green Bay Packers Zippo. It's a 2006. I only got it because it was a Zippo. And it was available. I like this one. I might start carrying this one. It's got a cross engraved on it. I think it's pretty cool. Got little scratches and stuff. It's a 2007. So I think I did pretty well on my update. Yeah, I'm only at 12 minutes here on this on part 3. And please click on my next video, which will be part 4.